A nearly $500,000 initiative will address rising water levels in Hampton roads.
The plan involves installing dozens of new flood sensors across the region. Layla Cox has more on the project.
We're really taking this issue seriously. We're trying to better define it, understand.
Whitney Catchmark is a principal water resources engineer at the Hampton Roads Planning District Commission. Catchmark tells 13 News Now the commission will place 45 new sensors near roadways in 15 localities.
This data will help us really be able to quantify how frequently these different spots flood, how deep the water is, and for how many minutes or hours.
Some of the flood sensor locations include Llewellyn Avenue in Norfolk, the Grandview neighborhood in Hampton, the Virginia Beach oceanfront, and York River in Gloucester. Catchmark says this time around, sensors should be more reliable because they are stationed on land while hanging above water.
We used a couple different models in the pilot. What we realized is the ones that were in sort of like a well by the side of the road, they tended to have more problems. They were exposed to water, so sometimes the water was salty and caused corrosion.
The water resource engineer says this new flood sensor system could make traveling less stressful for folks living in or traveling through Hampton roads.
Communicate to people driving via Waze and Google Maps, but then also have a dashboard so people can look at the data or get some alerts set up.
In the long run, HRPDC wants to strengthen regional partnership and work with agencies like the Virginia Department of Transportation to make sure people stay informed and safe.
We can have this local, regional, state cooperation to get these things fixed and just to appreciate which the areas are causing the most problems.
Layla Cox, 13 News Now.
All 45 sensors are expected to be installed by mid-year.